Test, 1 2 1 2. I look like a radio host like that. Talking about radio host, I was a radio host when I was younger. Around 16 years old. I was a co-radio host. I used to, well, hold like live casts, but I was just a teenager and there was an adult with me. That being said, that's not the case. I want to show you something super cool. Ta-da! Well, you can't see it where it's backwards, but it says leaving in the moment, and this is a caribou, and this is like um networking and stuff like that. This is the company for which I'm working. It's called TLS, and this is our logo, and it says live in the moment. Oops. And we really do live in the moment. And yeah, I just love the shirt. This is not connected, so I can just take that off. Um, I was so happy and so proud of working for that company that I actually wore. I went out today. I actually wore that T-shirt. By the title below, um you know that I got a tech job that I quit. So I was very lucky. I was stressed all the way along schooling, thinking that I don't have experience. I'm not going to get a tech job. I was very lucky. Just when I finished school, I actually got a tech job and I quit. One of my priorities is to get my permanent residence, like most of international student here, but it was too much. It was very, it's like the big corporate, the big cliche corporate. So I just felt like I was a number, which I was, and yeah. So because of that, I was just like, there's a lot of pressure. I just feel like I'm a number, so I just want to. I didn't want to live like that. Yes, I do need my PR. Yes, that job isn't enough B for those who are applying for PR or looking for a tweet. You know exactly what I'm talking about. But the priority is mental health. I was stressed. I was working 60 hours per day, but that's my personal choice. I have nothing against it. But I didn't feel valued. I felt lots of pressure. Like I felt overwhelmed. My teammates were amazing, just amazing, but the management. That being said, I was working at that company, which I'm not going to disclose any name. And then I was working at TLS, and I found myself constantly comparing TLS and there because at TLS I was not I was I am so happy. I feel so happy. I feel so understood. I feel like um I'm valued. You know, like it doesn't matter how many hours of work you do. What matters at the end of the day is that okay, I'm doing that amount of work. Is my work recognized? Are they yeah, acknowledging my effort? And I didn't feel any of that. I remember one time I finished work, and as soon as I finished work, I started crying. I didn't cry because I was sad. I was crying because I took in lot. I took a lot in, and there's two ways for me to let go of anger is to shout at someone or to cry. And I just started crying and crying and crying. And if I need to do something, I'm going to do it. But if I have the choice, do I really want to go through that? And I do have the choice. My choice is quit and take another job. And the moment I quit, guys, the moment I quit, I started smiling and I felt like I felt so good. And whatever thing happens, it's not worth it. Yes, it's scary because I'm just like, oh, I need to go back in job hunting. Will I find something? Will I not find something? And I think I'm gonna find something. I'm not stupid. I went in school. I can do something and I'm going to find something. And mark my words, guy, I'm going to update you on that. I'm going to find something. It might take 1 or 2 months. So what? So what? Um, for those of you, I'm going to make another video about that. I do not recommend you taking 1 year of schooling, because it's just 1 year of schooling is 8 months, and then you'll have 8 months of work permit, which is not enough for PR. So for those who went for the 2 years, you have at least 2 years or 3 years work permit, and you can have tons of time to look for a job and gain experience and apply. Yes, we all want to get it very fast. I want to get it very fast. That's why I wanted to move to Nova Scotia. But at the end of the day, I want to be happy. And I can't tell you how happy I am. I'm extremely happy. I'm extremely grateful. And if I need to be grateful, like it was Thanksgiving yesterday, and if I needed to be grateful for something, I'm grateful for the awesome dinner that I have. I'm grateful for the great roommates that I have. They're just like, come in, let's have fun. Thanksgiving is like a second Christmas. um I'm so grateful for the friends that I have. I'm grateful for the job where I don't feel pressured, where I don't I used to wake up in the morning and be like, oh shit, do I need to go to work? And now I don't feel like that. Am I tired? Yes, I'm tired, but I don't feel that way. I had such an awesome day today. I wanted a pumpkin latte. I got my pumpkin latte. Cheers to the one who likes Tim Horton. I put some makeup on. I got new earring. I love those earrings. I never felt so myself. I stood in front of the mirror and I was looking at myself. I was just like, I'm happy. I'm grateful about my life. I like my hair. It's not perfect. I hate freeze, but it's not perfect, but it's me. That's how I am. I'm beautiful and I'm not perfect. And having to wear that t-shirt, which I'm so proud of. Finally, I got these, and it's so me. It's been a while I haven't wear boho chic things. I wear very classic thing. Um, and this is really my style, and it kind of reconnect. It feels good. It feels good to reconnect with yourself. It feels good to do things that makes you happy. It feels good to be true to yourself. It feels good to take care of yourself, and this is what I did today. I wanted to go out for no reason, and I said to myself, I'm going out for no reason, so I went out for no reason. um I wanted to wear makeup. I wore makeup. I wanted to wear that because I felt empowered. I felt nice. I felt proud. I wore it. I really wanted a pumpkin spice latte. I got my fucking pumpkin spice latte, and it was the fucking best day of my life. And I get to spend that time with people that I love, people who loves me. I felt so loved today. I felt like, oh, I matter, and I can't tell you how good that feels, and that's what I wanted to tell you. Um it's not the end of the world. It feels like it is. When you're in that, you know the answer to it, but it feels like it's in the end of the world, but it's not the end of the world. Once you're at the other side of that, because it seems like a mountain, right? Once you climb it and you're at the other side of that, you're just like, this is what I was afraid of. It feels so good. I don't want to go back to that. But I do understand it's frightening. I really like my messy hair. I like the mess that I am. Sorry. It's frightening, and I do get that. But at the end of the day, I know it's easier said than done. But please, 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 just take care of you. Be happy. Try your best to be happy. Try your best to be true to yourself. Be as long as I think as long as you're true to yourself, you will do what's best for you, because you know, like, that doesn't make me happy and I need to take care of me. I need to be true to myself. I need to be honest with myself, and I need to reconnect with myself, and I can't tell you how good that thing. And don't stress too much about the job. It's going to come. And I'm telling you, I don't have a job right now that can allow me to go and apply for PR. But mark my words, it's going to happen. I'm going to work for it. I'm going to go job hunting. I'm going to look for it, and it's going to happen. But meanwhile, I'm having the best day of my life, and I love it. And I'm going to try my best to keep it that way. Um, it was not really the direction I wanted to go with the video, but I think whatever needed to say needed to be said, and I'm also a big advocate of whatever needs to happen. So I hope you find this video helpful. It was um different, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, I just in case anyone else or someone else fall onto that, or if I decided to post it on LinkedIn, I'm so grateful for my teachers. I have the most awesome teachers at Georgian College, and these people have chose their vocation so well. I will never ever forget what they did for me since day one. So to all my teachers, I'm truly and honestly thankful and grateful for whatever you did for me. These teachers, if ever you go to any of these teachers, they are awesome. Once they're going to hold your hand, they are not going to let you go. Unless you let go of their hand, they are not going to let you go. They are going to always be with you and help you out. So, those who got these teachers, you won the lottery. And dear teachers, thank you so much for everything you did for me. And thank you to my parents as well. Um, yeah, yes, so I hope I'm going to see you in another video. And if you have any comments or any question, don't forget to drop a like, to comment, and to share if it can help anyone else. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.